Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, where we bring you the most powerful machines and their detailed reviews, and today we meet the king of bulldozers, the 2025 Caterpillar D70, a machine that is not only built for strength but also for advanced performance in the toughest environments. The new D70 represents Caterpillar's legacy of innovation and durability, combining raw power with modern technology to deliver a bulldozer that stands out in every construction and mining application. The 2025 Caterpillar D70 arrives with a bold design that signals power from the first glance. It is larger, more refined and smarter compared to its predecessors. Its frame has been reinforced with high-strength steel to handle heavy workloads and extreme operating conditions. The robust undercarriage has been optimized for stability and traction while ensuring smoother operations on uneven and rocky terrain. The iconic Caterpillar yellow body is complemented with aerodynamic styling and integrated protective panels, making the D70 both functional and visually impressive. Under the hood, the D70 is equipped with a highly efficient engine that delivers immense horsepower. The machine pushes past previous performance benchmarks with a refined V12 diesel engine offering around 850 horsepower, ensuring enough torque to move massive volumes of earth, rock or debris. Its advanced fuel management system reduces consumption while maximizing power output, making it not just powerful but also relatively efficient for its class. The D70 meets the latest emission standards through Caterpillar's clean diesel technology, which enhances sustainability without compromising its legendary strength. When it comes to performance, the D70 is designed to dominate. Every movement of its massive blade is precise and responsive thanks to an upgraded hydraulic system that delivers smoother control. The bulldozer comes with multiple blade options, including semi-universal, straight and specialized mining blades to suit various job site needs. The blade itself has been engineered to cut deeper, push harder and carry more material in a single pass, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Its heavy-duty ripper at the rear ensures that even the hardest surfaces can be broken down with ease. Comfort and operator safety have also been given top priority. The 2025 D70 features an advanced operator cabin that combines rugged durability with luxury-inspired ergonomics. The cabin is fully sealed and climate-controlled, ensuring operators remain comfortable in the harshest weather conditions. Noise reduction technology has been integrated to keep interior sound levels low. The seating has been redesigned for long working hours, featuring adjustable suspension systems and improved visibility through panoramic glass panels. The cabin is also equipped with touchscreen displays offering real-time machine diagnostics, fuel consumption monitoring and performance analytics, all at the fingertips of the operator. One of the most striking features of the D70 is its smart technology integration. Caterpillar has introduced autonomous and semi-autonomous operation modes which allow remote monitoring and control from centralized hubs. This feature is particularly valuable for hazardous environments where human presence can be risky. The bulldozer is fitted with advanced GPS guidance and 3D terrain mapping systems, enabling precise grading and earthmoving with unmatched accuracy. Operators can program tasks and let the machine perform them with consistency, reducing errors and saving time. Maintenance has also been simplified with the new D70. Every component is easily accessible through wide-opening service panels, and Caterpillar has integrated predictive maintenance technology. Sensors monitor key components in real time, detecting wear or performance issues before they become serious problems. This reduces downtime, improves reliability and ensures that the machine spends more time working and less time in repair bays. The use of high durability materials extends service intervals and further reduces long-term operational costs. In terms of safety, Caterpillar has equipped the D70 with multiple fail-safe systems. It includes collision avoidance sensors, emergency stop functions and advanced lighting for night operations. Visibility is further improved with high-definition cameras and smart monitoring systems placed around the bulldozer. These ensure that both operators and surrounding workers remain safe in busy and challenging work sites. The Caterpillar D70 is not just a bulldozer, it is a symbol of what heavy machinery can achieve when engineering excellence meets modern technology. It is designed to last through decades of demanding work, yet refined enough to reduce operator fatigue and increase productivity. Its sheer size and strength make it suitable for mining, mega construction projects and infrastructure development. The combination of raw power, cutting-edge technology and operator-focused design ensures that the D70 secures its position as the king of bulldozers. To sum up, the 2025 Caterpillar D70 delivers everything you expect from a top-tier bulldozer and much more. From its high-horsepower engine and durable frame to its smart systems and operator comfort, it sets a new benchmark in the world of heavy equipment. If you are in construction, mining, or any heavy industry, the D70 is a machine that promises reliability, efficiency, and dominance in every task. Stay tuned to Wheelcraft Studio for more reviews of the world's most powerful machines, and do not forget to subscribe for more exciting content.